Hello everybody and welcome to my backyard. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. I'm Debbie, Andy's behind the camper, and we're from Less Work, More Camping. Today I'm making for you a Mexican chicken, and I'm going to leave the directions below for the rub and basting that I'm using so that you can follow along with me or you can make it yourself and let me know how it is. Come along with me and let's get the party going. Okay, I've set the grill up for indirect heat, which is using half the grill for the hot side and half for the cold side. And I've actually added a little bit of hickory for some extra smoky flavor. And as you can see, I've spatchcocked the chicken, which is just taking the backbone out and butterflying it out so that it'll evenly heat. So what I'm going to do now is take a little bit of my rub and sprinkle it on here, or not sprinkle it on here, baste it on here so that it's coated very well. I'm going to put it on the grill on the indirect heat, and then I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. I'm going to cook this for like an hour, basting it in about a half an hour and flipping it over in about a half an hour to make sure that I have all the right flavors in here. Okay, so I put the meat probe in. I'm going to keep it until it reaches 165 internal temp, and I'm just going to go ahead and baste this side. This is skin side up. And you know, earlier I said Andy was behind the camper. He's actually behind the camper today. The camera today.
Camera.
I'll get that right. And no, I haven't had a shot.
You sure? Maybe you need one.
Maybe I need one. There we go. Okay, we're going to cover this up with the lid, and we're going to let it cook for a while.
Looking good.
Yeah. And then I might even set it on the charcoal side of the grill to get it a little bit crispy. And my probe is over here. And right there, you want to put it into the thickest part, but not close to the bone. There we have it. Within a half an hour, I'll be out here to flip it over and we'll see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, I've already flipped it over. I'm going to put some more rub on here. And I don't even think I'm going to have to put it on the direct heat because the skin's already crispy. I mean, look at this thing. It looks good. And it's only halfway done, and it's already falling off the bone. So I'm going to let it go for another half an hour, and we're going to see how it is. Okay, let's see how this thing turned out. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look good? Let's see, take this thing off. Take the thermometer out. Now remember, it's got to be, I said 165, it's actually 160. And then you have to let it rest.
There's a juice dripping out of that.
And oh my gosh, people. I wish you had smell-o-vision. So, this is the end of my thing. And what I'm going to do is go in and eat this bad boy. Like and subscribe. Leave me some comments on how you like it. And tune in next time when I make a pork loin. See you later. Hello everybody, welcome to my backyard. Today we're making,
Cut. Take two.
Okay, here we go. Hello everybody, welcome to my backyard. I'm Debbie. Andy's behind the camera. We're less camping.
Cut.
God. I can't get that right, that's why I can't do it.
Less work, more camping.
I know.